Hello and welcome to a little walk around of the brand new Yamaha Tenere 700 World Rally. You see, this bike is basically a world raid, so the Tenere 700 variant with the bigger fuel tank, twin fuel tank, 23 liters of capacity for really long range travel. And we have the wonderful KYB suspension, which is a bit up in terms of specifications to the standard bike, as well as the shock, of course. And the main differences of the World Rally is this beautiful paint job. You can see it a bit in the sunlight here. It's really stunning. I think it looks a lot more premium than, for example, the bike I own, the original Tenere 700. It's just, in real life, even more beautiful. And then of course you have these little details like the World Rally seat here. You have this great Öhlins shock, of course, or steering damper, let's say, and the factory fit Akrapovic silencer, which is also a nice touch. And as we are doing this little video, let's also hear it. Yeah, I love the Akrapovic sound. It's just amazing. It's not too much, but it's just enough, just right. Yeah, that's the Tenere 700 World Rally. And yeah, that's all I wanted to do, a little walk around. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're interested, leave me a comment. I can give you some of the riding impressions I had, or you can just check out my other video about the World Rally. Thanks for watching. See you later.